Okay, today is September 2nd, 2013. It's Labor Day, so the market is closed and will be reopened for trading tomorrow. I thought take a look at gold. Ever since gold made a low on back in June here, it's been kind of trending back up, and created a lower bit. I mean a bull flag here, and we're expecting it the target was somewhere around that 138, and it came up to pretty close to that target somewhere around that 137.50. And if we take a look at the weekly, you can see that if let me take out some of these moving average, and you can see this nice little flag here. It's basically it's setting up a little bull flag, and we do a major move, and essentially it's going to give us some, pretty close to that 138, which is up here. And right now we're essentially looking at somewhere around this 142, 143 area right now. So essentially it's somewhere around this particular level here. If I get this right here, so we're basically looking at somewhere around this 140, basically 143, right? And if we could break through back there, it might be heading back up and get up to this particular level here, which is the 148. And so looking at let's go back and looking at the weekly. We see this little doji here, sort of like a shooting star doji. So I wouldn't be surprised that we might see a little bit more pullback and possibly get back down to this maybe this 131 level here, somewhere around this area, 131, 132, before it move back up. Because it'd be good that, basically pulling back to this 618 retracement on this Fibonacci retracement here, and pretty close to the 20 EMA. You can see that the 50-day is rising, kind of flattened out, is rising, and also the MACD is trending upward here. So certainly, it could set up another bull flag here, and then we take a major move here. We could essentially, if we come back down to, for example, for this 618, then we could expect to do a retracement back to this 161, which is somewhere around the 144, and it's pretty close to that 142, 143 target, or this particular resistance here. So we could be looking at anywhere between, this point here, right, this point here to this level here. Right? And if we go and take a look at the intraday, you can see that intraday is right now it's kind of hovering below this 5-day EMA, and also we're essentially looking at this trend line here is the extension, it kind of broke below that trend line and kind of came down and filled this gap, this gap here, and right now it seems to be holding support here. If we come down and break this 133, then basically I'm looking for this 131, 132 area here for possible support, which is, this is the 20 EMA, and that might be a good price point to look for possible reversal to the upside, and look for possibly a long setup to play it back up and get up to this 142, 143 level. Because right here we are seeing a little bit of an inverted hammer doji. We could get a little bounce. It all depends, with all these uncertainty right now at the Middle East and everything. So you never know how jitter this market will be, and what's going to be driving the gold market in the coming day or the next couple of weeks. But definitely, if it could pull back here, to this level, I think that would be a good sign of or good level to look for a possible long setup. So that's a look at the gold.